However, tomorrow X together release a heartwarming video of members having a conversation with cute cats. Dyer has released a video featuring member of tomorrow and together. The video show the member of tomorrow and together preparing to attend Dyer 2025 Summer Main Collection show. The conversation between the members and the cute cats heightens anticipation for the show on June 21st. Tomorrow X together grace the front row of the 2025 Summer Main Collection show along with other cities celebrities. If you want more information about this topic, then stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.